Hello, welcome back to our channel. Are you here because you're trying to change out the bearings in your rear axle and don't know what it is? Or you need a seal, try to order online, and they're asking is it an 8.8 or a 9.75 axle? Well, you're at the right place because I'm show you quick and easy, several steps of how to figure that out and be confident with it. First place to go is look at the sticker inside your door jamb on the driver's side. Inside here, usually it's on the right above the door latch here. Here's your decal, and you will look all kinds of different information in here, including their VIN number. Down across the bottom, you will see the interior. This is the paint colors, interior and different things, body, manual transmission. Bingo, right here. Axle, H9. Now the H9 stands for 3.55 or 8.8 inches, which is what axle I have under mine. Now yours could read the L9, which is 3.75 or 7.75 axle under yours. Also, if your truck is a four-wheel drive or having a tow package, most likely yours is a 9.75. So you can read on here, it says 8.8 right here in the middle of the tag. So it's another way of knowing what axle you have under your truck. Also, if that all fails for you, there's still another option that you can do to figure out what for axle is under my pickup truck. And that is find yourself a tape measure, any kind of measure, and measure your axle width. Or not the width, but measure your axle diameter. So if you measure across here, mine as an example, it's 3 inches. Now generally your choice is 3 or 3.5 inches. And mine's a 3 inch, so that tells me it's an 8.8. And if your pickup truck is four-wheel drive or have a tow package from the factory, most generally yours will be 3. Yours most likely will be a 9.75 axle underneath your pickup truck. Another option, if all else fails, the 8.8s is more oval shaped back cover on your pumpkin or differential. The 9.75s are more of a D shape, more straight and like a shape like a D. And so that's another option for you. Are you still struggling? All those options aren't working for you? There's one more. The last resort is go back to that sticker inside your door jamb, which is right here, and you'll find the VIN number. There's the VIN number right here. If that sticker is not visible, you can go to your front of your vehicle, and here by your inspection sticker or the bottom left front corner, there is a number in here as well with the VIN number in there as well. And take that VIN number, and I'll have a link in the description below. You can take that number and go to your internet and find a decoder, and I'll have those. There are probably several choices online where you can go to have your VIN number decoded, and inside there they will be able to tell you exactly what axles under your pickup truck as well. Well, I hope that was helpful for you and help trying to take out some of the guessing out of it to figure out what axle is under your pickup truck. So if you see this information helpful, give it a thumbs up on your way out and subscribe if you want to know some more things about these older pickup trucks. My son just purchased this pickup truck, as you probably saw in some of the earlier videos, and we are going to share with you all the things we did and learned through this restoration project. Until the next time, have yourself a great day.